How you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And well, I'm trying one of my cocktails here. Obviously, I'm giving them the approval. Thumbs up. This guy, it's the Pear-fect French Martini. Hope you guys like it. Check it up in the description or in the link right there. You'll be more than pleased for this season. This is a perfect champagne cocktail. All right. So, how you guys doing? Welcome to Hey Bartender. I hope you guys are enjoying the cocktails that you're seeing. If you like it, what you see, if you like what you've been tasting and drinking, please don't forget to give us a little thumbs up and subscribe. Very simple, right there in that link. And you'll be set up to have a couple cocktails and a couple videos a week. All right. Today we're going to do something very different. Do you remember that you got this Christmas gift, the Patron XO, and you have no idea what to do with it? Well, stay with me. We're going to be making the Mexican mind eraser. Super simple, very delicious, and also very dangerous. Stay with me, please. Let me show you how we do it. All right. So, Mexican mind eraser. Back in the days when I used to work in Tijuana, downtown Revolution Avenue was one of the most popular cocktails / shots. People that used to love to have these cocktails, kind of like a catalyzer to lose our minds. I will suggest you and totally recommend you not to do it anymore for young people, obviously for the old people. I mean, people that were in their 40s, 50s. Yeah, stay away from those things. Just like have it as a really good cocktail for night, or like just in order, like I said, to make a really good use of your Patron XO. And I'm gonna come up with a couple more cocktails on this amazing and delicious tequila coffee liqueur. So that being said, let's make it, and let's make it with a nice style. So we're gonna start grabbing a champagne flute, and we're gonna put some crushed ice. Let's make sure that it goes all the way up. For those coffee lovers, this is a perfect cocktail for it, but also the season it calls for it. And what we're gonna be doing is 1 ounce of Patron XO. Let's go for Absolut vanilla. 1 ounce as well. And get things better. This is our Topo Chico club soda. For your garnish, we're gonna grab like a nice, long, thick lemon peel. It's gonna look like a trace to make a really nice rosebud. Goes in the center. And I don't remember having a small little straw, but I think this one is gonna do the trick perfectly fine. Mexican mind eraser, under 60 seconds. I hope my friend Dino actually is proud of me on this one. Salud, everyone.